Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by identifying exactly what ports you have on both devices so you can choose the correct cable or adapter. Inspect the laptop for HDMI, USB-C with DisplayPort Alt mode, Mini DisplayPort, or VGA, then check the monitor inputs and power input. Once done, plug both devices into power and place the monitor where it won't wobble. Make sure you have any necessary adapters ready before connecting. This avoids fumbling and prevents accidental port damage while you begin the physical connection. With power on, connect the chosen cable firmly to both the laptop and monitor, tightening any screws on VGA or DisplayPort connectors so the link stays secure. Then use the monitor's Input/Source button to select the correct port. On your laptop, open Display Settings right away. Windows, Display Settings, Mac OS, System Preferences Displays. Choose Extend or Duplicate according to your workflow, adjust resolution and orientation, and set scaling. These steps ensure the image is crisp and positioned where you expect it to be. Finish by fine-tuning resolution, scaling, and refresh rate to match the monitor's native specs so text and images are sharp. Check audio output if the monitor has speakers and configure power settings to prevent unwanted sleep. If the monitor stays blank, first reseat the cable and try an alternate port or cable, then reboot and update your graphics drivers. If problems persist, test the monitor with another device to isolate hardware. These quick checks resolve most connection headaches and get you back to work fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.